Hey guys, something a bit different this week. Judging from some of the comments, a few of you are struggling to navigate YouTube or get the best from it. It can be different on the desktop version that you're seeing here to that on your phone with the YouTube app. So let's dive in first on the desktop version. Firstly, to find my channel page, you can type in youtube.com/littlecherrycake, or you may have come here from a link on social media. But this is my YouTube channel page. Scrolling down, you will find different sections. These are playlists. The top one that says uploads show all the videos I've uploaded in date order. So as I am filming this, the first video is the latest video I have uploaded. It states underneath that it was uploaded 3 days ago. Then this one 5 days ago, this one a week ago, and this one 2 weeks ago. All in date order. It only shows a few videos until the arrow disappears. There are in fact many more videos, and I'll show you how to get to those later. The next section is Cherry School, which are full cake tutorials. These are tutorials that are pretty much a whole cake from start to finish, like a full project. These are also listed from newest to oldest, but again only shows around 12, when there is much more to see. Underneath this are the Cherry Basics. These are basic tutorials or simple techniques, such as creating this rock texture rather than the whole cake, and this one on how to paint geometric shapes. Other basic videos are how to get sharp edges and how to strip your cake dummies. The next playlist is Cherry Toppers, and as you will have guessed, these are all videos showing just how to make toppers, such as these armchairs from Up, bride and groom figures, and even the Iron Throne. Scrolling down again, you will find the vlogs. These are behind the scenes videos uploaded every 2 weeks, documenting my life making the cakes, delivering the cakes, general chit chat, and what I do in between the cakes. Underneath, this is the Cherry Business playlist. This includes Q&As, advice, and trips to various cake shows. There are also videos on how I store things and how I plan out my week. A slightly forgotten playlist is the Cherry Faves and Finds. These monthly videos took you through some of my favourite TV programmes, music, food, cake tools, and new cake Instagram profiles. I only managed 2, but I do hope to pick them up again in the future. And lastly is the Cherry Adventures playlist. These are for family holidays or outings, such as when we went to Disneyland, which you might find interesting if you watch my vlogs. Because I know some are here just for the cake, but some of you like to watch both to see what I get up to. Okay, so if this screen isn't all of my videos, where do you find them? You want to hit this tab here called Videos. This will open up a page full of every single video I have ever uploaded in date order. You can sort by the most popular videos and the date added either by oldest or newest, and by default it will usually show you the newest first. Some from just days ago, 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and so on, all the way down. You may also find some videos in here that aren't in any of the playlists, as they don't really fit into any of the previous categories. But there are lots here to sift through if you fancy watching something. Next to the Videos tab is the Playlist tab. This shows you all the categories I just mentioned, but will tell you how many videos there are, such as 42 vlogs so far, 66 full project tutorials, 28 basics, and 11 business videos. From here you can view all the videos in one playlist. Next to this is the Community tab. These are posts with a text a bit like a Facebook newsfeed, and you only mostly see these posts when you're scrolling through the YouTube phone app. Here I can post text and pictures, such as when I collected questions for my Q&A video number 2. However, on the desktop version, you pretty much have to come to my page and click on the Community tab to see if I've uploaded anything. Likewise, YouTube doesn't notify me if you leave a comment here and I have to check it manually. They really need to fix that. In the banner on the right hand side, you will find clickable links to my cake website, my cake Facebook page, my cake Instagram feed, which are all pictures of the latest cakes, my cake Pinterest account, which, would be cool if you could come over and give me a follow, because I've had to start this account from scratch after having my last one suspended. Yes, it was suspended in error, and not being able to speak to an actual human to get it fixed, I've had to start a new one. I'm still enraged about it, so let's move on. Lastly is another Instagram feed, but this is for my vlog. So if you enjoy watching my vlogs, these aren't pictures of cakes, these are what I get up to behind the cake, whether that's showing off my 80s geek merch or upcoming nerdy caravan pictures. A few of you struggle to find specific videos on my channel. After all, there is now quite a few of them. One tip is to use the search function. However, don't use this long one at the top. This search box will search the whole of YouTube. If you just want to find something I have done, you need to click on this little spyglass icon next to the tabs. So for example, if you want to know if I've done any Batman cakes, simply type in Batman. Try to keep the phrases very short. Let's just see what that brings up. Here you can see I have done Batman cakes. A Bat Minion and also Princess Batman will pop up in the search. You will also get videos below this. So why is it showing us a vlog? You'll see in the description the word Batman. In vlog 16 is where I created the Princess Batman. So you can either watch the tutorial on how to make it, or if you want more behind the scenes of maybe the delivery of it or more information, you can maybe watch the vlog. Okay, so let's try another term. I'm going to type in Harry to see if there are any Harry Potter cakes. Again, the shorter the better. Here you can see there's a few to choose from. A kawaii Harry Potter cake, a Gryffindor uniform, a Harry Potter unicorn, a Hufflepuff wedding cake, and then randomly underneath a 7-year-old cringy tutorial on One Direction cupcake toppers, which as you can see popped up due to Harry Styles in the title. Below this is a Niffler cake from Fantastic Beasts, which is also in the realm of Harry Potter. Scrolling down a little more, you find a video that's not in any playlist. This is a video showcasing Harry Potter themed owls. A group of us entered into Cake International in 2016. So maybe you want my sharp edge tutorial, but don't want to scroll through hundreds of videos. Just type the word sharp into the search box and it will bring up not one, but 2 different methods to get sharp edges. Using this search is a quick way to find out if I have a tutorial you need. Just remember to use the small search next to my tabs and not the big long one across the top, which will search the whole of YouTube. Now let's find that description box. I've clicked on a tutorial and this is what you will see on the desktop. You'll hear me say several times in each video to check the description box. I'm thinking of having it tattooed on my arm. But some of you have trouble finding it, which is not surprising if you're using the app on your phone. I'll help you find that one later. On the desktop, the description box is here underneath and you will need to click this Show More button to fully open it. Once opened, you'll find a whole range of information. These are all links to the items I've used in the video. They're all individually done. A link for the cutting mat, the scalpel blades, and so on. Then below is a link to lots of tools that I use quite frequently. Clicking on this will take you to Amazon. Here you will find the Little Cherry Cake Company Amazon shop, which you can also follow. In here are a whole range of items I have personally placed and chosen. They are all the exact items I use, and if not, they are very, very similar. Not everything is in here, but that's where the individual links come in handy. But here at a glance, you can see I have the foam core, smedger, cutters and tins, and you can just click to add them to your basket. Also in the description box, I always have the cake basics, which are how to make ganache, how to cover a cake, and how to cover the board, which will get you up to speed to continue with the tutorial you are watching. Below this again, I have all my social pages linked so you can come and stalk me on other platforms. And lastly is a link to my own shop. This takes you through to my shopping page on my own website. Admittedly, there's not much in there at the moment. I have a few stencils, a few things out of stock, and my cherry pin. I have a few of these left if you want to grab one, as I will not be restocking this design. I would ideally like a new one to reflect my new logo, so grab that smiley cherry whilst you can. Below are PDF tutorials from as little as 50p. These are full step-by-step tutorials in picture form along with text, and you can download them to keep on your computer. Lastly is the hands-on classes section, which is currently empty as I don't come out of my cave very often. So under the video you will also see the thumbs up button. If you were signed in and liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It not only helps my video, but also informs YouTube that you like cake decorating videos, so the algorithm can show you more videos, maybe from channels you haven't discovered yet. Next to this is the share button, which is just as important. You can copy and paste this link anywhere on the internet, such as in a Facebook status. There are also buttons to help you share to Facebook, Twitter, and even one at the end to email it to somebody. And you can also pin it. Another way to share the video is to simply open the page with the video on it and copy and paste what is in the address bar on the top. The more eyeballs that see the video, the better, as it helps to grow my channel so I can stick around with you a bit longer. Hitting the YouTube logo will take you to the home page. Now I am currently signed out, so my recommended videos are a little bit random. It seems to think I want to learn about ruptured tendons. But this is the page that will open when you visit YouTube. It can confuse some people, as it will show people you are subscribed to in the recommended box alongside videos from people who you are not subscribed to. It can sometimes make you think that these are all the latest videos you haven't seen yet from people you've chosen to follow, when in fact to find all the latest videos you need to hit this subscriptions tab. This will then open up a page full of all the videos you haven't seen yet from people you have followed. This one is currently empty as I'm not signed in. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, so here is my subscriptions tab. It groups the videos in upload order of what was uploaded today, yesterday, this week and last week, so hopefully you don't miss anything. A lot of these videos weren't on my homepage, so I would have missed them had I not checked the right tab. One way to make sure you don't miss videos from your favourite YouTubers is on one of their videos there will be a bell icon. Click on this and select all. This will notify you every time they upload a video or a community post, so you won't miss anything. However, if using your phone, you want to make sure you have actually allowed the notifications within the YouTube app. Okay, so let's take a look at the phone app. As you can see from the bottom left, we are on the home page. This will be a list of random videos, some from who you follow and some from who you don't. To find the videos you want to watch, hit this Center Subscription tab. These are all the latest videos and stories. So here I am on my channel, and as you can see we still have the playlist for all the uploads. The Cherry School playlist, the full tutorials, Cherry Basics and so on. To see all the videos, again hit the video tab along the top. The playlist tab works the same way too. One thing that is different is the search. You are currently unable to search just in a person's channel in the app. Instead, this top search bar will open up and you have to type in the YouTube name, which is Little Cherry Cake, followed by the word you want to search. So we will try Harry again. This box will search the whole of YouTube, but by typing in my name, it's focusing on mostly my videos. If you want to find my ganache videos, you would have to type Little Cherry Cake Ganache. This brings up how to make ganache, how to ganache a cake, and then the chocolate drip cake, which obviously has ganache drips, so the search hasn't done too bad. The hardest part about the YouTube app is finding the description box and all that important information within it. If you scroll down, you will just get recommended videos and the comments. So where's the box? What you need to do is keep your eye out for that teeny tiny arrow on the right beneath the video. Clicking that will open up the description box. As you can see, all the information is the same, but it's so easily overlooked if you miss that tiny arrow. You also have to scroll to the bottom if you want to leave a comment. But yep, I hope this video helps, as I know a few of you have struggled with finding the links and also finding certain videos. Hopefully you'll turn on that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And I'll see you again next week. Bye guys.